In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your personal address in MailChimp step by step so you can quickly update your account contact details without getting lost in the settings. This is useful if you've moved, changed your business address, or simply need to make sure your profile information is accurate and up to date. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit like, and make sure to subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the site loads, sign in using your email address and password. Make sure you log into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile or business workspace. After you sign in, you'll land on the MailChimp dashboard. In the upper right corner, look for your profile icon. Click that icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Profile. This will take you into your personal account area where you can manage your account details. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, click Settings. This is where MailChimp keeps your account preferences and contact information. So if you ever need to make changes to your personal or business details, this is the place to start. Inside the settings page, click Contact Information. This section shows the contact details currently connected to your account. Take a moment to review everything so you can be sure you're editing the correct information. Next, locate the primary account contact section. This is the area that contains your main address information for the account. Click on it to expand or view the current details, then click Edit to begin making changes. Now enter your new personal address in the appropriate fields. Make sure every part of the address is accurate, including street address, city, state or region, postal code, and country if needed. It's always a good idea to double-check spelling and formatting before saving, because this information may be used for account verification or billing-related communication. Once everything looks correct, click Save to update your contact information. MailChimp will save your new address, and your account profile will now reflect the updated details. And that's it. You've successfully edited your personal address in MailChimp. A quick update like this can save you from future issues and keep your account information clean and current. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.